Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a for loop with line counting in C. I've already included my header file and created a main function. So let's get right down to the program. First, we're going to need two integers, one where we increment through the for loop, I'm going to call that I, and the second one I'm going to call n, which is the variable we're going to count. I'm going to start n equal to 1, and I'm going to say for I equals 0, I is less than 10. So we're going to go through this loop 10 times. And then we're going to increment I up by 1 each time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now I'll do a printf, and we'll do %d because I want to pass an integer in, which is going to be our n. And then I'll say something like supernatural is really cool. And then do a /n here. And then we have to put the variable we're passing in. So we're passing in n. And then each time through the loop, I'm going to increment n by 1. Okay. So I'm going to open a terminal now, and let's compile this. So I'm going to type gcc for loop line counting.c, and we're going to output for loop just line counting. Okay, and now let's run the program, and we'll do for loop line counting, and you'll see that it numbers it 1 through 10 each time through. So that's how you create a loop where you actually count each item as you go through. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.